Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
Hello everyone, I am Mustafa John. Welcome to John Studio. This is the 41st episode of the Thailand series. Today my video is about Pattaya City, one of the most famous tourist destinations in Thailand. I am walking in Pattaya City with my friends, Nasrullah Khan, Majid Jan, Mahmood Khan, and Ikram ul Haq. Pattaya is a beautiful city located on the eastern Gulf coast of Thailand. The area of Pattaya is approximately 22.2 square kilometers. The population of Pattaya is around 120,000 people, but this number increases due to the high number of tourists. Pattaya is known for its vibrant nightlife, stunning beaches, and entertainment options. This city attracts millions of tourists every year from all over the world. As I walk through Pattaya, I can see many tourists enjoying the city. The streets of Pattaya are always lively, filled with people exploring and having fun. Pattaya has a mix of cultures, as people from different countries visit and live here. The local Thai people are very friendly and welcoming to visitors. The culture of Pattaya is influenced by both traditional Thai customs and modern international trends. There are many Buddhist temples in Pattaya, showing the city's deep-rooted spiritual side. The Sanctuary of Truth is one of the most famous cultural landmarks in Pattaya. Pattaya has many street markets where you can experience Thai culture and food. The floating market in Pattaya is a great place to explore Thai traditions. People in Pattaya enjoy a relaxed and fun lifestyle. The beaches of Pattaya are famous for their golden sand and clear water. You can see many tourists relaxing on the beach, swimming, and enjoying water sports. Pattaya Beach is one of the most popular spots for visitors. Jomtien Beach is another beautiful place for those who want a quieter environment. The nightlife of Pattaya is world famous, with many clubs, bars, and entertainment shows. Walking Street is the most famous street for nightlife in Pattaya. Pattaya is also a great place for shopping, with many malls and markets. Central Festival, Pattaya is a huge shopping mall where you can find everything. Tase, street food in Pattaya is delicious, with a variety of Thai dishes to try. Seafood is very popular in Pattaya, and you can find fresh seafood everywhere. Many tourists love trying pad thai, tom yum soup, and mango sticky rice here. Pattaya is also known for its adventure activities, like skydiving and bungee jumping. You can also experience thrilling water activities like jet skiing and parasailing. Coral Island, just a short boat ride from Pattaya, is a paradise for beach lovers. Pattaya is home to many luxurious resorts and hotels. The city also has a strong business side, with many expats running companies here. Pattaya's tourism industry is the main source of income for the city. Many people work in hotels, restaurants, and travel services in Pattaya. Pattaya is also known for its real estate business, attracting investors from around the world. The city has many property developments, including condos and luxury villas. Due to its popularity, Pattaya has a mix of local and international businesses. The city has many Indian, Arab, European, and Chinese restaurants. Many retirees from different countries choose Pattaya as their home. The cost of living in Pattaya is relatively affordable compared to other major cities. The healthcare system in Pattaya is excellent. with modern hospitals and clinics. Pattaya is also famous for hosting cultural and entertainment festivals. The Pattaya International Fireworks Festival is a major event that attracts thousands of visitors. The city also hosts music and food festivals throughout the year. Pattaya has a unique blend of urban excitement and natural beauty. The city is a perfect destination for solo travelers, families and adventure seekers. You can take a boat trip to nearby islands for a peaceful escape. Pattaya's Big Buddha Hill offers stunning views of the city. The Nong Nooch Tropical Garden is another beautiful attraction in Pattaya. Pattaya is a city that never sleeps, offering something for everyone. Whether you love adventure, shopping, or just relaxing, Pattaya has it all. The people here are welcoming, and the atmosphere is always lively. Walking around Pattaya, you will see a mix of cultures blending together. It is amazing to see how this city has grown into a global tourist hub. Pattaya has something for everyone, whether you are looking for fun or relaxation. I am really enjoying my time here with my friends exploring Pattaya with Nasrullah Khan, Majid Jan Mahmood Khan and Ikramul Haq is a great experience. I hope you enjoyed this video and got a glimpse of the beauty of Pattaya City. Stay tuned for more travel videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Pattaya is an incredible city, full of life, excitement, and beauty. I am really enjoying my time here in Pattaya with my friends. The city offers a mix of beaches, nightlife, adventure, and culture. Whether you love relaxing by the beach or exploring the city, Pattaya has something for everyone. The vibrant atmosphere here makes every moment special. Walking through the streets, you can see tourists from all around the world. The locals are friendly, making the experience even more enjoyable. The sunsets in Pattaya are breathtaking and a must-see. Every corner of this city has something unique to offer. Exploring Pattaya with my friends has been an unforgettable experience. If you want to experience the best of Pattaya, you should plan at least 3 to 5 days. 3 days are enough to explore the main attractions and enjoy the beaches. If you want to experience adventure sports and nearby islands, you need at least 5 days. 1 week in Pattaya will allow you to explore the city without rushing. You can even spend 2 weeks here if you want to relax and enjoy everything at a slow pace. Pattaya Beach is a must-visit for its beautiful views and lively atmosphere. Jamteen Beach is perfect if you prefer a quieter and more peaceful environment. Walking Street is the heart of Pattaya's nightlife, full of energy and entertainment. Sanctuary of Truth is an amazing wooden temple showcasing Thai architecture and culture. Nong Nooch Tropical Garden is a paradise of flowers and greenery. Big Buddha Hill offers a fantastic view of Pattaya and a peaceful atmosphere. floating market is a great place to experience traditional Thai culture and shopping. Coral Island, Koh Larn, is perfect for a one-day trip, offering stunning beaches and water sports. Pattaya Viewpoint, Khao Pattaya Viewpoint, is the best place to see the entire city from above. Tiger Park, Pattaya is where you can get close to tigers and take amazing pictures. Ramayana Water Park is one of the largest water parks in Thailand, perfect for families. Pattaya Elephant Jungle Sanctuary is where you can interact with elephants ethically. Pattaya Bungee Jump is for those who love adrenaline and adventure. Underwater, World Pattaya is great for experiencing marine life up close. Skydiving in Pattaya is an unforgettable experience for thrill seekers. Scuba diving and snorkeling in the clear waters near Coral Island is a must-try. Jet skiing, parasailing, and banana boat rides are popular water sports in Pattaya. ATV and off-road tours are fun ways to explore the countryside of Pattaya. North Pattaya is the best area for a quiet and relaxing stay. Central Pattaya is great if you want to stay near the nightlife and shopping centers. Jom Teen Beach has many resorts and is ideal for a peaceful vacation. Pratamnak Hill is a luxury area with amazing sea views. Naklua is a quieter part of Pattaya, suitable for families and retirees. There are plenty of hotels, resorts, and Airbnb options available for every budget. Luxury resorts like Hilton Pattaya and Intercontinental Pattaya Resort offer top-class service. If you're on a budget, hostels and guest houses near Soi Buakau are affordable options. Pattaya Night Market is the best place to try delicious Thai street food. The Glass House Pattaya offers beachfront dining with a fantastic atmosphere. Cabbages and Condoms Restaurant is a unique place with great food and a social cause. Leng Ki Restaurant is famous for Chinese and Thai seafood dishes. Rimpa Lapine Restaurant has breathtaking views and amazing Thai cuisine. Indian by Nature is one of the best Indian restaurants in Pattaya. Al Sultan Restaurant serves delicious Middle Eastern and Arabic food. 5-Star J Vegetarian Restaurant is a great spot for vegetarians. Important things to know before visiting Pattaya. Always respect the Thai culture and local traditions. Dress modestly when visiting temples and religious places. Bargaining is common in street markets, but do it respectfully. Be cautious of scams, especially with tuk-tuks and taxis. Avoid getting into fights or arguments as the laws in Thailand are strict. Always carry some cash, as not all places accept credit cards. Keep your valuables safe, especially in crowded areas. Things you should avoid in Pattaya. Avoid drinking tap water. Always drink bottled water. Do not disrespect the Thai royal family or Buddha images. Be careful while renting jet skis or motorbikes to avoid scams. Avoid overly touristy restaurants, as they are often overpriced. Pattaya is a fantastic destination that offers something for everyone. Whether you are an adventure lover, a beach enthusiast, or a foodie, you will love this city. Plan your trip well to make the most of your time here. Choose the best places to visit based on your interests. Try to explore both the famous attractions and hidden gems of Pattaya. Enjoy the amazing food, breathtaking views, and exciting nightlife. Stay in a place that matches your budget and comfort. Always be respectful to the locals and their culture. Traveling with friends or family makes the experience even more special. I hope this video helps you plan an unforgettable trip to Pattaya. Unfortunately, we have no time because today we are going back to Bangkok. There are still many beautiful places in Pattaya and its surroundings that we couldn't visit. Pattaya has so much to offer, and 1 or 2 days are just not enough. I have already told you that at least 4 days are required to fully explore Pattaya. If you have only a short time here, you will miss many amazing experiences. We wanted to visit more beautiful islands near Pattaya, but time didn't allow us. There are still many cultural and historical sites that we couldn't explore. Pattaya is not just about nightlife. It has stunning nature, adventure, and relaxing spots. I wish we had more time to enjoy the peaceful beaches away from the busy areas. The floating market and Nong Nooch tropical garden were on my list, but we missed them. Exploring Coral Island properly needs a full day and we didn't have enough time. There are many more local food spots that I wanted to try, but we had to rush. We also missed some adventure activities like skydiving and scuba diving. A trip to Pattaya feels incomplete if you don't visit its hidden gems. Next time, I will make sure to stay longer and explore Pattaya properly. If you are planning to visit, make sure to give yourself at least 4 full days. This city has so much beauty and excitement, and it deserves more time. Even though we missed some places, I still had an amazing time in Pattaya. I hope this video helps you plan your trip wisely so you don't miss out. Now, it's time to head back to Bangkok, but Pattaya will always remain in my heart. So stay tuned, and don't forget to join me in the next adventure. Until then, take good care of your health and always be kind to the people around you. Show love and care to those who live near you because small acts of kindness make the world a better place. Thank you for watching, and I truly appreciate your support. Keep in touch with me and I will see you in the next video with more exciting experiences. Take care of yourself, stay happy, and keep exploring new places. Goodbye for now, and see you soon in the next video.